morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it is for you right now when you're watching this. Time for me is 8 a.m. I started my day 45 minutes ago because before that I ended my day if you look at it 10 hours ago, but technically 9 hours ago before that, because yeah, it's summertime now, it's not winter time anymore. So the clocks have been adjusted 1 hour forward. Oh, look at that, a cargo train. Yeah, that one does have some iron ore in it. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know if you're gonna see it. It might pass me here soon. You should see it right now. A train here up to the left. That is a train that is going up to Kiruna, because that is, from Kiruna, this train is actually coming with iron ore, or maybe not just specifically this train, but anyhow. Yeah, today I'm going up to Kiruna. I'm gonna be delivering 32,000 liters of diesel and in a total amount of 22,000 liters of petrol or gasoline. It's gonna be 18,000 liters of 95 octane and 4,000 liters of 98. I don't know what it's called in other countries. Here in Sweden we go after the octane level in the petrol. We don't call it super petrol or premium or whatever. I don't know what it's called in other countries. We don't call it like anything like that. So yeah, I'm going up north. That is gonna take me shit long of time. Apparently my GPS is telling me it's gonna take me, oh wait, yeah, maybe, but I have already lost 10 minutes, 12 minutes in drive time because of everything down there, and it's gonna take me 4 hours and 25 minutes extra to go up there. It is around 340 kilometers to drive. Could be fun. Could be fun. Ah, come on, you lazy ass truck. Yep. Is there anything to say about this upcoming trip today? Not really, actually. It is like usual. I know it's same o every time I'm going to Kiruna, same o every time I go to Gällivare or wherever I'm going. I don't have that much of variation in my videos. Yeah, that's just how it is. Sorry, but I really should start vlogging or showing a little bit more of off work, but it's quite hard because I don't do much when I'm off work. Either I'm sitting in front of my computer, hanging out with some friends. That is in real life, not in front of the computer only. I might be at my parents' house and visiting them. Yeah, you get it. And I see you later down the road. Let's see what's coming up. So I'm having my lunch break right now. I have around 8 minutes left of it. A 30-minute break. I have already had a 15-minute break on my way up. As always, I'm taking a 15-minute break at Nylles Bar, refueling the truck's own tank and getting on my way up. So, yeah, just waiting for this last 8 minutes to pass, or 7 minutes. 7 minutes. It seems like there's a lot of things going on actually right now in media. Mostly around this air crash that happened. Let's see now. Was it last week it did happen? For me, that is last week. For you, it would be. For you all, it would be 2 weeks ago. I think it was last week. Or was it earlier this week? Yeah, in the mountains. Airplane crashed. Apparently, if I did hear right, been hearing right, the pilot did it by himself. The captain, one of the pilots went out from the cockpit, most likely to get a drink or get on to the toilet or anything. And apparently there is a lock mechanism, a code lock. And this code lock have three ways to open it. One easy, one medium, and one really hard. You have 3 modes on it, and you can set which type of mode it is supposed to be from inside the cabin. Now, they think that the pilot that was still left in the cabin, which had a mental disorder and whatnot, I don't know exactly what the hell was going on, but they think that he changed so the code was on the hardest level, hardest mode, which is even hard to press in all the numbers and digits and whatnot. It's supposed to be to type in the code on the hardest mode. It's even hard even if you would have the code right in front of you on a piece of paper, apparently. So yeah, it's quite secure. swallowing water in the wrong dang it. Whew. I'm trying to drown myself here. Oh yeah, do you remember that one? Yes, I'm showing you a second image right here, somewhere here around. That happened quite a long time ago now, and that tanker truck company that I was driving for when that happened, that was the first and only time I've been driving myself one of their trucks. And obviously an accident happened. A bus drives and smack breaks my side mirror. And yeah, now that tanker truck company haven't been saying anything to me after that. Nothing. It's been dead quiet after that happened. After that day, no calls, no text messages, no emails, no nothing. No contact at all from them. And they had promised me a position to drive a specific route that was new for them even. They actually promised me that route, that job, but let's see now. As I said, it was a long time ago this happened. That happened. And yeah, no calls, no nothing. And they should have been driving on that route for at least a month now. And now I'm gonna be stopping right here because I need to start driving soon. In just a couple of seconds. See you later down the road, most likely when I'm heading back from Kiruna. Finally leaving Kiruna, and seems like I'm on a really good time. Oh my. I like the time I'm holding right now. I could have been a lot faster, but it seems like one of the tanks on the truck, as I have been explaining before, I think I did it yesterday latest, or maybe it was last week, earlier this week, but anyhow, there are 4 tanks per unit, so I have 8 different tanks, separate tanks together on the truck and on the trailer together, that is. Lower that music. No worries, it's not copyrighted music. It is royal free music I'm listening on right now. Yeah, you'll find a link to their YouTube site down in the description if you like to listen to the music I'm having in the background. And now there are 4 tanks on the truck and 4 tanks on the trailer, 8 in total. Now, one of the tanks on the truck didn't want to get completely empty for some reason. I don't know why. It didn't want to. That was all. So I have rest with me back to town, which the driver tomorrow needs to, you know, I need to make a note for him that the tank is not completely empty and it's diesel in it. Now, most of the times we are trying to have only diesel on the truck, so that is a good thing. But you never know if he needs any of the tanks on the truck for gasoline or petrol. You never know. So that is a bad thing, actually. But it seems like he's not going to be having that problem tomorrow, what I can see. Not with his first load, because he's only going to have diesel with him on his first load. Anyhow, I'm going to be driving down to... Ooh, a little bit windy. Oh, I was pushed by the wind. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm gonna be driving down to Nulea's bar, eat my dinner, because they are open till until 8 p.m. today, which is good. And I am actually a lot faster today than I thought I would be, which is also really good. Finally, I am back in town in Lulea. Time is 12 minutes past 8 p.m., which means 13 hours ago I started this day. And that is including my lunch and my dinner breaks, my 1.5 hour of break. That is really good time, because I'm actually getting paid for 13 hours, but obviously I'm not getting paid for the break, so which means I need to add the other 1.5 hour that is missing to the my report of what I've been doing today. Awesome. A good day, a good day. Even if it could have actually gone faster, this was a good day. Yeah, there's nothing much to say actually. Hope you enjoyed it. If not, please tell me in the comments field. I do read every comment. I might not do the changes. You're talking, if you're saying that I should do this or that in a video, I might not do it directly in the next video, next time I'm recording a video, but at least I'm trying to, depending on the situation and whatnot. Now, what I know, I'm gonna be driving tanker truck next Saturday and Sunday, which means obviously I'm gonna be recording. I'm gonna be driving a little bit of garbage truck this week, coming week. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record anything on the garbage truck. Plus, the garbage truck is actually not that much to show. Plus, I'm gonna be on a garbage truck with that is two-maned, which means I'm gonna have a colleague with me, and some colleagues, or most colleagues, maybe don't want me to have a camera. It is a little bit of a situation on the garbage truck company that have been happening. It is history now, but people are iffy about cameras and other types of recorders. Actually, most people are even iffy about smartphones, because you can record and take photos and whatnot with a smartphone. And now, hit that like button, thumbs up button in the face of yourself or anybody else if you did like this video. Please leave a comment as well. If you want to find my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, you want to have contact with me over there or follow me over there, find me anywhere online, go down to the description. If I had been having some background music, except the intro and outro, the link to their YouTube channel is down in the description. Other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!